Yes, ready. This is a dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. Yes, start. Sir, time is the most valuable thing that we have to spend. We can utilize our time or we can waste it just as we can use our money or we can waste it. There is one very important difference between time and money. However, all the people who are reading these words may possess different amount of money, or in all probability two people can have the same amount in their pocket, but all of us have same amount of time. We all have only 24 hours in one day, no more or no less. 1 hour will supply only 60 seconds and there is nothing we can do about it. Sometimes we are in a hurry to pass the time because we are waiting for something wonderful to happen. Sometimes we want the time to pass slowly because we enjoy the present moment so much that we want to continue with it for a longer time. Science, which has done wonderful things in human life, has yet not found a way to change this regular passage of time. Para, time has great value for everybody. School and college going children should use their time in a constructive and fruitful manner, giving attention to their studies. They should do all their jobs on correct time. This is called time management, and this is very important to be successful in life. All other types of management can be learnt if one has the art of time management. Time management is a skill also which can be learnt by practice and experience. People who know better management of time lead others and get better opportunities in life. It is also said that everything happens at its correct time, but it does not mean that we should not make efforts, because only those who respect the time are rewarded appropriately. Para, money, the second biggest factor, can be earned only by those who wake up early and work. Money can be earned through knowledge and skill combined with hard work. Knowledge attained in the early years of life gives fruits all through the life. Similarly, today it has become very much essential to learn a skill at correct age and time, which will ensure better career options to youngsters. Our government is also making all efforts to provide relevant skills to young children at senior school level maximum possible. We have talent inherent. Stop and over.